Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Speak English without fear. Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak English without fear. I am your host Emma and today we are going to talk about something that every English learner has experienced at some point. The long and sometimes difficult journey to speaking English with confidence. If you are listening to this podcast right now, it probably means you want to get better at speaking English. Maybe you have studied grammar books, watched English movies, or joined online classes. You have done everything right, but when it's time to actually speak, something strange happens. Your heart starts racing, your hands feel a little shaky, and suddenly your mind goes completely blank. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you are not alone. Millions of English learners around the world feel exactly the same way. The fear of speaking English is real, but it's also something you can overcome step by step. So, why do you feel afraid to speak a new language? One major reason is fear of judgment. We worry that others will laugh at our accent, notice our grammar mistakes, or think we are not smart enough. But the truth is, most people aren't judging you at all. They are usually impressed that you are learning another language. Another reason is perfectionism. Many learners believe they must speak perfectly before they can speak at all. But perfection is not the goal of communication, understanding is. Even native speakers make small mistakes every day, but that doesn't stop them from talking. Remember this, you don't need to be perfect to be powerful. You just need to be brave enough to try. Confidence doesn't come from speaking perfectly, it comes from speaking often. You can read hundreds of books about swimming, but until you jump into the water, you won't learn how to swim. It's the same with English. Try speaking English in small ways every day. Talk to yourself while cooking or cleaning. Narrate what you are doing. I am washing the dishes now. I am sending an email. I am feeling tired but happy. It might feel strange at first, but it really works. You are training your brain to think in English and your mouth to move comfortably with English sounds. Also, try to surround yourself with English. Listen to podcasts, songs, and movies. Read short stories or news articles. The more English you hear, the more natural it will sound in your head. Many learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak it. That happens because listening and speaking are different muscles. Listening is passive, you take information in. Speaking is active, you create and express. You need to exercise that muscle regularly. You can find a language partner online or in your community. Don't look for a teacher, look for a friend. The goal is not to have a perfect conversation, but a real one. Laugh, make mistakes, ask questions. Every time you speak, you get a little better, even if it doesn't feel like it. Remember, confidence is built through experience, not through theory. Stories from real learners. Let me tell you about Lina, one of our podcast listeners from Indonesia. When she first started learning English, she was terrified to speak. She told me, Emma, I know a lot of words, but when I open my mouth, nothing comes out. So I challenged her to record herself speaking for 1 minute every day, just 1 minute. At first, she hated it. She felt awkward listening to her own voice. But after 2 weeks, she started noticing something. Her pronunciation was improving. Her voice sounded clearer. Her rhythm smoother. After 1 month, she shared her recording with her classmates. They were amazed by her progress. Now she speaks confidently in her job interviews and meetings. Her secret wasn't a grammar book or a special method, it was consistent practice and courage. When you learn English, you are not just learning a language, you are learning to face your fears. Some days you will speak fluently and feel proud. Other days you will struggle to find words. That's normal. Language learning is like a long journey with ups and downs. And most importantly, don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Your journey is yours alone. So, today's message is simple. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to speak English. That moment is now. Start small, stay consistent, and be kind to yourself. Every word you speak brings you closer to fluency. You already have everything you need. You just have to believe it. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and say it with me.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.